Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Audi A4. The Audi A4 is the first in a generation of Audis that have learned how to ride. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, anti-theft security system, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, fog lights, power windows, compass, CD player, heated front seats, trip computer, brake assist, leather seats, power moonroof. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.